This is the apartment of where we stay in Dodoma. It's like a small cubicle store. They store their things there, and the whole of this is the compound, the main house. This is the main house. Then all this, the compound. This is so nice. It is a 4-bedroomed apartment, and this one is the servants' quarter. See, this is the servants' quarter. Then behind here there's a place where you can do your laundry, so it's a little bit dirty. This is a place for laundry, and where you can also keep your things because there's enough room. This is another space where you can add on your tank and all this. This is the space. You can dry your clothes using this. Look at this. It's more than enough space. And that is the main house. There we go. The main house. It is too big. Oh my God. Then let's get inside the apartment. So we start off with the living room. It has everything, the seats. And then there's a dining room there. From the dining room you go to the kitchen. From the kitchen there's a big hallway. We start with this is the restroom together with the bathroom for the visitors, I think. From there you come straight to the washroom, and then there's the first bedroom. It has its own toilet and bathroom too, and there's more than enough space where you can put your clothes and under your shoes. And that is the next bedroom. I cannot show it because it has things for other people. This is the third bedroom, and then this is the fourth bedroom. You can see it's so big. Forgive us, we have not arranged the bed. It is so big. That is, and each bedroom has its own bathroom and toilet, all that, so you can see. And that is how it looks like. You can see a big hallway. Look at it. The lights. This is the balcony from outside. And the space is so big, you can have your own event like here. This is for roasting your meat, pork, chicken. They have big space, enough space, and the area is so secured with the electric fence and the gate. Look at it. The area is so secured, and it's a peaceful area. If you are tired of all the noise from the city, you can have a good time here.